Hi guys, I'm Elle. Welcome to my channel. I am the full-time event planner and event host at Elite Memoirs. Okay, 2009, I graduated as Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And then we have the specialization of Speech Communication and Theater Arts. So it's called like Speech and Theater Arts major in our university. And I graduated in the Philippine Normal University, batch 2009. So yun, daming magtatanong bakit hindi ako nag-English teacher kasi dapat English teacher yung work ko. So 2010, I helped my dad for marketing his event services because he was doing mobile and sounds and lights, and from there we're already doing a Facebook page, and then sulit.com talaga yung pinaka first platform kung saan kami unang nag-market. And then bumibili kami ng Sulit Gold. Kung sino yung mga nakaka-relate dito, alam nyo na. And because he was rendering this kind of services, then he collaborated my skills in hosting. So for the hosting, I did a lot of research before my first hosting. And my first hosting is really kabado. Sobrang first time, alam nyo yun. Meron pa akong stage fright. Although we are doing theater arts during our college days. And syempre, this is different. This is social events. This is wedding. This is birthday. This is... Actually, ang pinaka first time kong experience, hindi ako sa social event inilagay. I did research because it was an opening of a grocery store. And so, I have to research kung ano ba yung mga sinasabi. So, yun. Nung opening na yon, para akong announcer, like, welcome to Centromart Grocery Store. In here, you can find goods, kanyan. Like yung mga nandun sa loob ng stores, yun lang. Tapos magta-time check ako. The time now is ganitong oras na. Time brought to you by Sun Cellular 24/7 call and text unlimited. Parang ganun. Siyempre, dahil nga mobile sounds and lights yung service niya, so, nirecorded na yung ibang mga sinasabi ko. Tapos kapag may dapat lang i-announce for the gathering dahil nga may parang program din yung opening nila, doon na lang ako actual na nag-host. And then followed nun mga birthday na, and then yung mga kasal na. Napunta kami sa event management kasi after ko maging host, then Sounds and Lights yung father ko. Yung sister ko naman nag-put up siya ng catering business. So catering namin nun may package ng Sounds and Lights at saka yung hosting ko. Syempre naghahanap rin sila ng decoration. So sa catering kasi, more on pagkain lang talaga yung focus namin dati. Dahil nga yung brother-in-law ko is a chef, cruise ship siya nag-work, tapos chef siya. And then, masarap siya talaga magluto. So, ang pinaka-asset namin is talaga yung food namin. And then, yung service namin ng Sounds and Lights. Then, yung teamwork namin ng father ko. So, dahil doon, marami kaming naging client, nakukuha kami. And then, yun na nga, naganap na sila ng mga stage design. And dahil may background ako sa theater arts, ayun, nag-design kami ng mga stage, and then yung color manipulation, color pastels, and kung ano yung mga color schemes na kailangan gawin. Ako yung nagde-decide nun sa amin. So, parang family business na talaga siya. Doon namin na-start yung event management, which is the general manager is my dad. So, sad lang kasi 5 years ago namatay yung father ko. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng sarili na lang kami. Sarili na lang kami ng sister ko. And then, from here, syempre, to improve our skills about the event management, which is hindi naman talaga ito yung line ng pinag-aralan namin dahil nga ako, education, yung sister ko actually IT siya. So, we are taking up courses online and also from Ateneo de Manila University, and kumuha rin kami ng short course of event management. So marami ng mga online courses dahil nga nagkaroon ng pandemic. Sobrang naging uso na talaga yung sa Zoom ka na lang a-attend. And if you really want to boost up your knowledge for this business, if you want to enter the event management business, kailangan talaga. So, kung tungkol sa puhunan, magkano yung mga nagastos namin during our investment time, tapos yung talagang sobrang nag-start kami nung 2010, ayan, pwede nyo rin akong tanungin. So, sa lahat ng mga interested sa event management, just drop your comments. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel.